Next is how to measure the temperature in Celsius scale and how it can be easily converted to Fahrenheit and Kelvin scale. The Celsius scale 0 degrees Celsius to 100 degrees Celsius. The degree of interval is 100. Then Fahrenheit 32 degree Fahrenheit to 212 degree Fahrenheit. The degree of interval is 180 degree Fahrenheit. The last one Kelvin scale 273.15 Kelvin to 313.15 Kelvin. The degree of interval is 100 K. The three scales are used in various places. Fahrenheit is used as precision. Celsius is used in weather report. And Kelvin is used in science lab. Next, let us discuss about the equivalence between the principal temperature scales given in the table for some temperature. Temperature, boiling point of water. Celsius scale is 100 degrees C and Fahrenheit scale is 212 and Kelvin scale is 373.15. Freezing point of water. Celsius scale is 0 degrees C, Fahrenheit scale is 32 and Kelvin scale is 273.15. Mean temperature of human body 37 degrees C, 98.6 Fahrenheit, 310.15 Kelvin. And room temperature 72 degrees Celsius, 23 Fahrenheit, 296.15 Kelvin. Numerical problems. First one, how much will the temperature of 68 degree Fahrenheit be in Celsius and Kelvin? Now, they have given the temperature in Fahrenheit and asked to convert it into Celsius and Kelvin. Temperature in Fahrenheit, F is equal to 68 degree Fahrenheit. They have asked you to find out the temperature in Celsius and Kelvin. First, we are going to find the temperature in Celsius. F minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C divided by 5. Here, 68, which is given in the question, is going to be substituted in the place of F. 68 minus 32 divided by 9 is equal to C divided by 5. When we cross multiply, we get C is equal to 5 multiplied 36 divided by 9 is equal to 20 degrees Celsius. Next, we are going to find in Kelvin. So, the formula for calculating Kelvin is C plus 273.15 is equal to 20. So, we know the value of C is 20. So, by substituting C is equal to 20 in the formula, when we add 20 plus 273.15, we get 293.15. Thus, the temperature in Celsius is 20 degrees C and in Kelvin it is 293.15 K. Now next we will see the one more problem. If the temperature in Celsius is C, then the temperature in Fahrenheit will be the same. That is, F is equal to C. F minus 32 by 9 is equal to C by 5, or C minus 32 by 9 is equal to C by 5. By cross multiplying, we get C minus 32 into 5 is equal to C into 9. So when you multiply 32 into 5, you get the answer 160. By bringing like terms together, we get 5C minus 9C is equal to 160. Giving negative signs, 4C. So when you minus 5C minus 9C, you get 4C is equal to minus 160. When we cancel, we get C is equal to F is equal to minus 40. The temperature in Celsius and in Fahrenheit will be the same at minus 40. So let us recollect what we have learned in this lesson. In this lesson, we have learned why a clinical thermometer is not used to measure the temperature of air. The three units of temperature, that is Celsius scale and the Fahrenheit scale and Kelvin scale. The uses of laboratory thermometer. The properties of mercury. Why we should not keep the clinical thermometers in the sun or near the flame. The similarities and differences between clinical thermometer and laboratory thermometer.